If your shopping cart looks like a treasure hunt, you're a true e-commerce enthusiast. Let me introduce you to Ecom Mentor, your ultimate destination for top-notch product recommendations. We curate the creme de la creme, from tech gadgets that make life easier to home tools that boost your productivity. Ever wondered what the best travel gear for digital nomads is? We've got you covered. Curious about noise-canceling headphones that actually work? Check out our showdown. Our team dives deep into research, testing, and user reviews to bring you only the finest selections. And trust me, we don't just recommend anything. Quality and authenticity are our middle names. Want to see what makes us tick? Head over to https://kit.co/smarketstore and explore our curated collections. Engage with our community, share your favorite finds, and let's build a trusted space for all your shopping needs. So what are you waiting for? Click the link, join the community, and discover the best products with Ecom Mentor. Happy shopping!